One number is stamped into the air horn. It says what the carburetor was built as. The list number is stamped into the air horn. 4 to 6 digits, often with a dash suffix. On most factory 4 barrels, it sits on the front of the choke tower. It is stamped shallow and sharp-edged. The raised alphanumeric molded into the metal is a different mark. Chase the raised one, and you will chase a part that does not exist. Welcome back to Big Block Radio. That number is a key to a catalog, not a description of the part. It is the only number Holley itself uses to look anything up. Feed it in and out come the airflow rating, the factory jetting, and the right rebuild kit. The dash suffix marks a revision, and revisions changed jetting, venturi sizes, and airflow ratings. 3310 has been published at both 750 and 780 CFM. The prefix moved 3 times. R on the earliest carburetors, then the word list, then the modern 0 dash convention. It dates the catalog entry rather than the part. The suffix is what changes the carburetor. The high performance and race models leave the factory with no choke tower, so the stamping moves to the main body. On later race pieces, it is laser etched into the side. There is a second mark directly underneath the first. It is the one that changes the story. Holley used a 3-digit date code up to 1973 and 4 digits after that. The 3-digit version reads year, then month, then week of the month. 1 through 9 are January through September. 0 is October, A is November, B is December. The 4-digit code is Julian. The first 3 digits are the day of the year, and the last digit alone is the year. 4 characters, and the order carries all of the meaning. Day first, year last. Holley published a worked example off one air horn. 3 lines stamped one above the other. The top line is a car maker engineering number, used to track which car the carburetor went on. The middle line is the list number, and it ties to a 1965 high-performance application at 715 CFM. Stop there, and you are holding a famous carburetor. Most sellers stop there. The bottom line reads 0798, day 79 of a year ending in 8. That is March 1978. 13 years after the car the list number is named for, it is a dealer service unit sold exactly as intended. A carburetor is an assembly. Main body, bowls, metering blocks, base plate, and choke housing all unbolt and all interchange. So a correct list number proves the air horn and the body it is attached to. When the stamping has gone, what is left is architecture, barrel count, choke tower, or none, and the measured throttle bore. A full metering block on both sides is one family. A thin secondary metering plate is the other. A stamping proves the part it is stamped on. It stops there. That is the whole discipline. On the multiple carburetor setups, the center and the outer units carry different list numbers, so losing one breaks the set. List number for what it was built as, date code for whether it could be yours. See you next time.